how to rename audio on your Instagram Reels. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can just rename audio on your Instagram Reel. So let's get started. So first of all, just open up your Instagram over here and then just swipe toward your left and just go to the reel part over here and just record a quick reel over here. Once you are done, just click on next and then again press on next and just scroll all the way down, and you can see over here that there's an option for rename audio. You have to just click on it and you can see over here that I have just original audio over here. So here you can just give a new name to your video like Be Wiser Audio, but make sure that it has been written down. You can only rename your audio once, so make sure that whatever you name want to give to your audio will be just given to once, which means you cannot just rename it again once it is just uploaded. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.